Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a card number. Your card number is a unique 16-digit identifier linked to your financial account. It's crucial for making transactions, whether you're shopping online or in a physical store. Understanding its proper use and security measures is key to protecting your finances. We'll cover everything you need to know to use your card confidently and safely. When shopping online, you'll typically enter your 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the 3- or 4-digit security code, often called CVV or CVC. This information authenticates your purchase. Always ensure the website is secure by checking for HTTPS/ in the address bar and a padlock icon. This helps protect your sensitive financial details during the transaction process. For in-store purchases, you'll either swipe your card, insert it into a chip reader, or use contactless payment by tapping it. If you're using a chip card, leave it in the reader until the transaction is complete. For debit card transactions, you'll often be prompted to enter your 4-digit personal identification number, or PIN, to authorize the payment. This ensures your purchase is secure. Protecting your card number is paramount. Never share your full card number, expiration date, or security code with anyone you don't explicitly trust for a transaction. Regularly check your bank statements for any unfamiliar charges. If your card is lost or stolen, or if you notice any suspicious activity, contact your bank immediately. Acting quickly can prevent significant financial loss and protect your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.